So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. So guys, in this video I will copy files from Blob storage account into an ADLS account using copy activity. And which services we will use? First, Blob storage account, which is this, you can see Akash Bharadwaj Blob, okay, and ADLS account, Akash ADLS account, and third, Akash ADF account. Okay, it's mean here we will use copy data activity. Okay, so first we have to create, click on three dot, new pipeline. Okay, and here you can see this is my blob storage. And blob storage I created a source container. In source container you can see there are three files. Okay, in ADLS there is a one container called sync. In sync container you can see there is no files, it is a empty container in ADLS. Okay, so in a source we have three files. So what we are going to do, these three files we will copy into an ADLS account in a sync container. Okay, let's start. So first we will do copy data activity, drag and drop. Okay, and we'll give the name copy blob to ADLS. Okay, done. Here we can give the activity name also, copy blob to ADLS. Okay, now what we have to do, create a link services my files in a blob storage account. So what is source? In a blob storage account source file is there. Okay, click on delimited and continue. Okay, here we will create dataset, as I already told you, dataset for blob source container. Okay, and link services will create new. Okay, link services blob source. Okay, and Azure subscription, we will click my Azure subscription and we'll select blob storage account here. Okay, you can see storage account, blob storage account. Okay, test connection is very important, always remember, click on the test connection and click on create. Now we will choose source file. Okay, where is in a blob storage, click on this. Now I want to copy only one file. Okay, first PDF file, click on OK. Now click on OK. Okay, in a sync we will create dataset again. Now it's too important to understand, here we will select Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 because we are copying data from blob into in Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. Then we will click Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 because sync is where? Sync is in Azure Data Lake Storage. Okay, continue. And which files? Delimited text file. Okay, continue. We'll also create dataset here, dataset ADLS sync. Okay, and create link services again, new link service ADLS sync. Okay, account type Azure subscription is my, and Azure ADLS account we will select here. Okay, please remember here two accounts is showing, Akash Bharadwaj blob, because once I create it then I give the name of blob. That's why I give the name of blob. That's the reason I'm telling you, always remember naming convention. Okay, now you can see Akash ADLS account 12th Jan. I will click on this and test connection, create. Now we'll give the sync click on sync because we want that to copy files into in sync container. Okay, and click on OK. Now guys, what we will do, click on publish all to check publish. Is there any error or not? It is publishing, deploying changes to the factory. Okay, it will be saved. Okay, now it's saved. Okay, now what we will do, we will click on debug. Okay, now it's copying data from blob to ADLS. Okay, here you can see in ADLS till now there is no file. Here you can see it's a empty folder. Okay, empty container, and now you can see it's running. It's taking too much time. Here you can see time duration 7 seconds. It will take little bit more time. Now you can see it is succeed. Okay, now we will click on ADLS account. Now we'll click on refresh. Here you will see my file has been copied successfully here. Okay, here it is a source. You can see this file was there and I successfully copied this file in sync container from ADLS blob storage into in sync container. Okay, and we also copy all the files. Okay, what we have to do, in the source we will click on wildcard file path. Okay, and here we will give asterisk symbol. Okay, and now we will copy debug again. It's too simple to understand. I already told you in my previous video. Okay, so if you have any question till now, then please comment in the comment box. Ask me any question if you have, and if you want to connect with me, then you can direct send me message on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Akash Bharadwaj Vlogs, and I also give the link in the description box. If you guys want to watch previous videos, then you can visit on description. I give the playlist link where you can watch my all previous video which I uploaded till now. Okay, here you can see this is a succeeded activity status is succeeded. Okay, it has been taken 15 seconds. Okay, now click on sync and click on refresh. Here you will see all the files has been copied from source to sync. Okay, this is very simple and easy process. I hope you can understand. So guys, this is for today's video. We will meet in next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Bye bye.